Anna, hi everyone. Welcome back to the Speak Zeno podcast. I'm Anna.
Leo, and I'm Leo. Today we're talking about something fun, weekend movie night.
Yes. We'll chat about watching movies, choosing what to watch, and how to describe films in English. Leo, so, relax, grab a snack, and let's begin. Scene 1, Making Weekend Plans.
Leo, it's finally Friday. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I think I just want to relax. Maybe have a movie night.
Oh, that sounds nice. I love watching movies on weekends. It's the best way to rest after a busy week. Do you usually go to the cinema or watch at home?
I prefer watching at home. It's cozy, quiet, and I can wear my pajamas.
Laughs, true. At home, you can pause the movie anytime you want.
Yes. And no one tells you to be quiet when you talk.
That's right. So, what kind of movies do you like? Scene 2, talking about movie preferences.
I love romantic comedies. They're light, funny, and always have happy endings.
Oh, nice. I'm more into action and adventure movies. I like something exciting with big explosions.
Laughs, typical. Do you have a favorite movie?
I really like Avengers Endgame. It's full of action, emotion, and teamwork.
That's a good one. I also like The Intern. It's a warm, funny story about friendship and learning.
Oh yes, I've seen that. It's really inspiring.
So, what should we watch this weekend? Something funny or something thrilling?
Maybe both. How about Jumanji? Welcome to the Jungle. It's adventurous and funny.
Perfect choice. It's exciting and easy to enjoy. Scene 3, Preparing for Movie Night.
So, how do you set up your movie nights, Anna?
Oh, I make popcorn, turn off the lights, and get a cozy blanket.
That sounds perfect. I usually grab chips and soda.
Laughs, you always eat junk food.
I know, but it's the weekend. What do you like to drink?
I love hot chocolate or iced coffee while watching.
Yum. Do you watch alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone, but it's more fun with friends. We laugh and talk about the movie.
Yeah, I agree. Watching together makes it more enjoyable.
Scene 4, After watching the movie. Anna, so, we watched Jumanji. What did you think? Scene 4, After watching the movie. Anna, so, we watched Jumanji. What did you think?
It was great. The story was fun and full of surprises.
I loved the humor and teamwork between the characters.
Yeah, and the jungle scenes looked so real. The effects were amazing.
Absolutely. My favorite part was when they worked together to finish the game.
That was awesome. The movie teaches about friendship, courage, and teamwork.
Exactly. So, if you had to describe it in 3 words, what would you say?
Exciting, funny, and creative.
I'd say adventurous, fun, and heartwarming. Scene 5, Learning English through movies.
You know, movies are a great way to practice English.
That's true. You can learn new words, natural phrases, and how people really speak.
Yeah, when I started learning English, I used to watch movies with subtitles.
Me too. I'd listen to the dialogue and repeat short sentences.
That's a great tip for our listeners.
Yes, here are some easy ways to learn English with movies. TCAP 1, Watch with English subtitles. It helps you understand new words. TCAP 2, Repeat simple lines. Practice speaking like the actors. TCAP 3, Focus on phrases, not just words. TCAP 4, Enjoy the story. Don't worry if you don't understand everything.
Perfect advice. Learning should be fun. Scene 6, talking about favorite films.
So Leo, what's your all-time favorite movie?
That's tough. Maybe Interstellar. It's emotional and thought-provoking.
Oh yes, the music is amazing too.
Yeah, it makes you think about time, love, and family.
My favorite movie is The Notebook. It's romantic and emotional.
Ah, a classic love story.
I cry every time I watch it.
Laughs. That's how you know it's a good movie. Scene 7, recommending movies.
Let's recommend some movies for our listeners.
Good idea. For action lovers, I'd say Mission Impossible or John Wick.
Nice. For romance fans, try La La Land or The Notebook.
For comedy, I recommend The Intern. It's funny and sweet.
And for animation, Inside Out or Zootopia are great choices.
Oh yes, Inside Out teaches about emotions in a beautiful way.
Exactly. Movies can teach language, culture, and life lessons all at once. Scene 8. How to describe a movie in English.
Okay, Anna, let's teach our listeners how to describe a movie.
Sure. Start with the genre. For example, it's a comedy, or it's a science fiction film.
Then talk about the story. It's about a group of friends who get lost in a video game.
After that, give your opinion. I think it's really funny. The ending was surprising.
You can also use adjectives: exciting, boring, scary, sad, amazing, beautiful.
Right. For example, the movie was exciting and full of action.
Or the characters were funny and interesting.
Perfect. That's a great way to talk about movies in English. Scene 9, wrapping up.
So, that was our weekend movie night.
Yes. We talked about our favorite films, how to describe them, and how movies can help you learn English.
We hope this conversation helps you speak more naturally and confidently.
Try to watch an English movie this weekend. Use subtitles and repeat short phrases.
And tell us, what's your favorite movie and why?
Leave your answer in the comments or share it with a friend to practice English together.
Thanks for listening to Speak Zeno podcast.
Have a great weekend, and enjoy your movie night.
Bye for now. Bye for now.